In this video, I am going to show you how to send your invite link on Monopoly Go. Within the Monopoly Go app, navigate to the section where you can invite friends. This is typically found in the game's main menu or within the Friends or Social tab. 2. Look for an orange button that's usually labeled with Invite. Tapping this button will generate an invitation link unique to your account. 3. After pressing the orange button, a copy option should appear. Tap on it to copy the invite link to your device's clipboard. This action makes the link ready to be shared across various apps. 4. Open WhatsApp and navigate to the chat where you wish to send the invite link. This could be a personal chat with a friend or a group chat. Also, once the link is passed into the WhatsApp or Messenger or social media app, it's ready to be sent. Simply press the send button to share the invite with your friends or group. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.